everyone, I am Tanya. Welcome back to my channel Tanya Talks. And today I want to talk about one more important thing and one more very common thing that we experience in our day-to-day lives, and unfortunately we have become okay with that also without any questioning. Honestly, I'm not okay with it, and that's the reason I'm here and I want to talk about this thing. So, women are not really comfortable with hair on their body, on the face, or even the pubic hair. You know, whenever, even if they're going to a gynac and they want to get themselves checked, they are just so apologetic about it if they have pubic hair and if they have not cleaned the genital area properly. I have always seen this that we are so apologetic about these things and not very comfortable. Even if it's body hair, suppose you have your hair on your legs, on your arms, and you haven't shaved, you haven't got it waxed or anything, and then you will definitely not be comfortable in wearing shorts or dresses in which your legs are visible or anything. Facial hair though is next level because you will be made fun of, and you might have seen certain reels and certain content also where certain stupid statements are being passed. I don't even want to repeat certain statements, but it's just that these things kind of make women very weird about themselves. They are not okay with this thing. So let me talk about facial hair and body hair first of all. It's completely normal. I mean, you see guys in your own house only, okay? Like whether it's your dad, your brother, they don't give a shit about anything. They will have such hair growth and still they will be wearing shorts. They'll be comfortable with it. They'll be flaunting their chest hair and all of that. Unfortunately, we are being we are thinking in certain way where we think if we haven't shaved our legs, if we haven't shaved our arms, so we cannot wear a certain kind of dress, which is definitely not the case, and I am not okay with that. I mean, the people around us, they make us feel so underconfident about these things that we think 50 times before dressing up. We think so many times that okay, I should be wearing this, I'm going out, so if I'm going to this particular place I should be wearing this, but I cannot wear this because I haven't shaved yet, blah blah. And then you put yourself in certain condition ki I shouldn't shave because the hair growth will be different and there will be more hair growth and the hair will be hard and the follicles will be weird, and if someone touches me they would feel okay, something is hard over here. All of those statements. Then you choose the option of waxing, which is unbearable. It's so painful and nobody wants to put themselves go through that pain again and again, because it's not like once you have done it and then you're sorted. Then of course there are people who give you options like you can go for these laser things. It's hell expensive. My point is, this thing is so normal and still it's not normalized when it comes to women. It is normal only for men. Then, talking about the pubic hair. Firstly, it's completely your choice whether you want to get it removed or not. Pubic hair is there because it's required. It's a layer which prevents you from certain infections, and your genital area is extremely sensitive. So pubic hair is also helpful, for not just from preventing infection, but when certain white discharge is happening or during your periods, pubic hair is extremely important during that time also, because if pubic hair is not there, there are more chances of infection, there are more chances of discharge as well. So getting your pubic hair removed or not, firstly it's completely your choice. Yes, to maintain the intimate hygiene, that is very important, and that I don't think people need to teach you, because I believe that everyone does that, and If you don't, of course, I mean, everyone should be keeping themselves hygienic. Intimate hygiene, extremely important, but yes, pubic hair is completely normal. Getting it removed or not, that should be an individual's choice. Do not do something in order to please someone else, whether it's your partner or anyone else, honestly. That's your body, it's your hair, it's everything is yours. You do whatever suits you. Do not take decisions about your own body in order to please someone, or thinking about what other people are gonna think. Never wear clothes according to others. Wear whatever you are comfortable in, wear whatever you like. Never, do anything about your body. If you want to color your hair, just do it. It's your hair, it's your body. You can do anything about it. You want to get a tattoo, just do it. If you don't want to get it, don't. My point is, even if it's our body, still we seek permission, we seek validation from other people, which is different, which is weird, and which should not be the case. If it's your body, your hair, your skin, everything is yours. Just take the decision yourself, do whatever suits you, and do whatever you are comfortable in. It's okay, it's normal. Just accept yourself and just embrace yourself. That's more important than anything else in the world.